everyone, on this video I'm going to demonstrate cryptocurrency mining on Android smartphone. On this case, Cryptotab Browser you can find on Play Store, or like me, if you already have a referral link, you can just go directly from the referral link and tap on your browser. But this time I already uninstalled Cryptotab Browser and I'm going to install again just for this demonstration. And okay, so it's installing. Let me pause while waiting. Okay, it is installed. So now open, accept and continue, and then you will get a welcome, and then this is some tutorials. So as you can see, you can refer other users. It's like a multi-level marketing. You'll get some reward based on how much you invite and how much your friends invite. Now open this one to go to the mining extension. Next, you need to log in. I have all of this account, and for this one I want to use a VK. Now let me pause the video, and there you go. I have logged in to my Yahoo VK account, and then you can adjust your mining speed. You can mine here. I'm mining on around 15-20 hash per second on my J7 Samsung phone, maybe up to 30. And then this is my balance, this much Bitcoin, around 0.1 US dollar. You can withdraw, and one referral, which is my own, and here it is. So if you want to share this, if you want to invite other, make sure you share this link, because the more people who install this app with this link, the more reward you will get. And basically that's it. And this is just like any other browser, so I'm using this than to using a Chrome browser. So maybe here, for example, I want to open, let's see, Google. Normal, or maybe I want to open chess. Okay, so while you're browsing, you can mine, and you can adjust the speed depending on your preference. And you should be careful about this, because based on my experience, it will consume much more of your battery. So if you have electricity and where you're charging, you have some battery to spare, then you can use this and maybe you'll get some profit. Electronium, but based on my experience, this is quite more intensive than using electronium. Thanks.